In order to make progress on Shalimar's Blue Mermaid costume, I have to do a full studio cleanup. I've been making jewelry for, let's see, I started setting up in August, so for several months, up until November 16, I was making jewelry. I had a big show, the Fabulous Fall Festival, and so like an artist, I went into my bead collection and put a little bit of this and a little bit of that, a little bit of this and a little bit of that onto this blue design board. From there, I crafted all of the jewelry pieces that I took with me to the fall festival. Now, I could put all of these things back into my deep storage, which are uniform plastic tubs that sit neatly on my shelf. I could have done that. But I want to preserve this palette, so I'm moving and organizing the beads that are on this design board into this interim storage palette. So these black plastic jewelry trays are used widely in the professional jewelry industry, and I bought mine years and years ago. You can get different sizes and shapes of inserts. You can get them velvet inserts and plastic inserts. This is the one I use when I have an ongoing project where I want to save my palette but still clean up my house, because these trays easily stack, unlike these blue plastic design boards. Anyways, I got it done, and now it's time to move on to my next project.